Welcome to my channel, folks. Jamerican life. Yeah, man. Rise and shine bright and early. You know? First, you can see the first thing I have to do, folks, is make my bed. My wife don't play that shit. Gotta make the bed. Plus, she also say, successful people always make their bed. Yeah, man. You know what I mean? So, you have to make my bed early in the morning because, you know, that's the first thing you have to do, right? Now, a lot of my friends be calling and asking me, you know, how you life in America, you know what I mean? You know, how you go by your daily this or that and that. But you know what? I'm just the same person. You know what I mean? The same person you know 15, 20, 30, 40 years ago. Nothing changed. Same way. So yeah, what? I'm going to make some cornmeal porridge. So follow me in the kitchen. Yeah, man. Go into the kitchen, go make up some cornmeal porridge. You see what I say? Yeah, man. I'm not share with nobody. I'm joke, man. I gotta share with my little son. He love cornmeal porridge. I can't make no farm of Jamaican food and I get none. Alright, so I have the stove on, people. You know, I have my little ingredients. I have some cornmeal. I have some fine cornmeal. I have vanilla. Just have a little bit left, alright? Nutmeg. Alright? And then I have some cinnamon stick right over here. So, alright? Some cinnamon stick, alright? Then I have the good old condensed milk. You see what I'm doing? And over the fridge, so. I'm in the fridge. I'm going to take out some condensed milk, some cow's milk. Alright, some cow's milk in it. So in the meantime, I do that now. I just get some cold water. Get some cold water. Now, the way we do my thing, I just my thing. You understand? If somebody feels something I do it different, that's your problem. I do it the way I feel like to do it. You understand? But you know, America, you know, you just live your same life. Don't change yourself. Live your same life. You understand? So this is some cold water now. So I'm going to mix up this in the meantime. You know, I don't like my milk to be, porridge to be thick. You know what I mean? Nah, I don't like it too thick. So I'll mix this up now, you know what I mean, and stir it up. You know, I like my porridge with some crackers, you know, some of the crackers. Yeah, man. You know, so I'm going to mix this right now. Mix this up and make it up, you know. Mix it out and then add it to the water. You understand? Yeah, man. So, you know, just, you know, quarantining can't do not much, you know what I mean? So we just get up my stuff, you know. If you follow me over here, so I'm working up this here, so you don't see me have my yard stuff same way, you know. Done, you know. Just me, you see me I deal with, yeah, man. And you know, so I have a whole heap of meat and stuff in there, but I don't really like heap of meat, you know, I like some veggies, you know what I mean? But I still eat my fish and all that other stuff, you know? Yeah, man. So I wait for this water to come to a boil. I put this in there, so you understand? And I say, if my son not get some, with dead, I have to drink him cornmeal porridge. Boy, I love him porridge, man. Yeah, man. You know? So I just do my flex, you know? So all those people who are asking me, you know, if I change, if I'm this and that. No, I'm the same person. Me not change. Same person. You know, all my friends in Europe, all my friends in Canada, all my friends in all over the place who are keep asking me, you know, how is life? How is this? No, nothing to change. Same me, eat the same food. Same everything. Same radars. Nothing not change. Yeah, man. For real, y'all. But, you know, in my next video, I'm going to take you on the road. You know what I mean? You go see the boys. You know, show you my garden, show you my family, show you how life is here. It's just no different than anywhere else. You understand? Just that sometimes it get cold, and you know, I hate the cold. You know what I mean? But I have my lovely wife to keep me warm. Right, baby?
Yeah, baby.
Yeah, man. For real, man. Man, I took her to Jamaica, man. I said she just love the vibes, man. Love the vibes, man. I tell you, man. You know? Yeah, man. So, me and I set up to go to Jamaica, man. You know, but as soon as this virus thing are done, we going to Jamaica. For real, man. You know? Yeah, man. Some water go on boil in the meantime. You know, I go on heat up, you know. As soon as my water heat up and thing, you see what I do? I just come over here, so, you know? So, baby, what kind of Jamaican food you like?
Ackee and saltfish.
That's it? What else?
Oxtail.
Oxtail. Yo, we take our wife before she eat some oxtail. Ew, baby, what's that? Ew. Next thing you know, she start eat the oxtail. Let me tell you a big joke, people. One day I seen her steam a big snapper and start up with some callaloo and stuff, and you know, fix it up right to the 5 p.m. put on the oven and thing. Oh baby, what's that? You got head and eyes looking at me. So don't worry about that, man. It's by the time me start eat, she and my daughter around me, I pick her and fight her, bone and everything. Yeah, man, yeah, let me get now the fish, then near me off. Ask them. Near me off, man. You say sometimes, you know, come in and just want to go apart, you know, just for me alone, you know. She come on, baby, I hope you're making enough. I say, yo, just for me this. No. So I have to stop and I don't add more night because what? Yeah, man, she love her yard food, man. She love all the yard food. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, man, for real, yo. So I want to talk about to boil up, you know, but yeah, the thing with this though, right? If you don't know what cornmeal porridge, you have to keep on stirring it. Because if you don't stir it, it's going to be lump up. Alright, so baby, come over here, son. Alright, then you just get this out, you know. Now, as me I said, y'all think I'm doing something right? Y'all can comment and tell me. You understand if I did something wrong. You see me I deal with? So yeah man, I just say this. I have to go and stir this now until it, you know, but I can't make it get thick. You understand? I don't like my porridge too thick. You know, it's just me. You know, but this is gonna get, you know, it's gonna come to a boil. It's gonna come to a bubble. You know, but in the meantime, man, you know, it's quite, you know, it's not the city. I live in Washington. You know what I mean? I live in Maryland. You know what I mean? In Washington. There's not a lot, you know what I mean, going on, you know. My county is on lockdown because it's a lot of death, it's a lot of virus cases still. So, you know, we're on lockdown. I don't know when I'm going back to work or not, you know, but for right now I'm trying to do something as I'm not going to sit around and wait. You know what I mean? Baby, it's starting to get thick up now. Look at it. It's starting to thick up now. Watch your face. Look at it pop in your face, all right? So, you see it's starting to get, you know what I mean, thick up now. Later on I add my stuffing, you know what I mean? My little nutmeg, my cinnamon and all that stuff. So, yeah man, you know. But, there's going to be a lot more videos coming, people. You know what I mean? There's going to be a lot more videos, you know what I'm saying? And, you guys going to get to see the real me, you know what I mean? Because I'm still me. Not because I leave, it's still me. Nothing not changed. Yeah man, you know, so this I'm going to finish up this in a few minutes. And, you know, yeah man. I like to cook for myself, you know what I'm saying? I like to make my food, you know, I don't like to go to the store. I'm cheap. So I will buy grocery and I will cook. I will cook all week, you know what I mean? No, I really don't eat out like that, you know, unless I'm on the run, you know what I mean? I'm on the go. But one of the good thing about this, yo, is that my family all live in the area. I got mom, auntie, sister, everybody in the area. So I just go about, you know what I mean? I get a food right here, a plate right here, a plate right here. I don't tell them. So sometimes I end up with 9 plates. You know what I mean? I take, you know what I mean, 2 for lunch, 2 for dinner. I don't tell nobody. I go around and do it. You know what I mean? But my wife hate when I do that. She's like, baby, why are you going around and getting food? And I'm here. So I got to give respect to my wife, yo. You know what I mean? She learned how to cook my food on her own. I come home, my wife have oxtail, man, curry goat, man. May I say, yeah, man, yeah. I said, I love my potos, man. She asked me, what is potos, baby? Yeah, man, my wife got man for real, you know? Yeah, man, so this is about almost, you know what I mean, you're ready, because it's the quick meal. So, it's kind of thick up a little bit. So now let's add a little bit more milk in it. Oh, milk over here, so a little bit more milk in it. Not much, just a little bit. Yeah. And you know what, people? I'm going to give you guys a quick thing. When I was growing up, my face. When I was growing up, couldn't afford this thing. It was like expensive. Not everybody could afford it. You know what I'm saying? Much less this. A lot of people could not afford it. You know what I mean? It was, I'm telling you, man, the shit sometime, boy, you know, I remember it, man. It was just crazy, man, you know? So, yeah, man, the porridge almost ready. You know, drop piece of cinnamon sticking on it. It's this flavor, you know? It's a flavor. You're not going to see it in it. That's flavor. I'm going to go throw my vanilla in it. Yeah, and then no more than that. Yeah. Then, you know, we drop my little nutmeg in it. Yeah. And then later on, I just throw some of that milk down in it. You see what I say? Sweeten it and then we taste it and, oh, salt. You can put a pinch of salt in it. It's a must. A pinch of salt have to go in it. Not a whole heap, but a pinch of salt, you know. Yeah, other people put different stuff in it, you know, but this is just what I put in my mind. Do you understand? And then I make it to that right taste. You see me I say? This is just enough, you know, for me and my son. You know, him get a cup and me get a cup and we're good. It'll be a start off with 2 hours. So as you can see, it not lumpy, you know, come out nice and good. You see what I say? Yeah, man, I just can't wait for this thing to, you know what I mean, to be finished with, man, so I can get back to normal life, man, you know, because it's a lot of money to be made, a lot of places to go, a lot of things to do, and I just can't wait, man, you know. This thing is depriving me, but you know what, at the end of the day, I'm glad for health and strength, you know. So, we have health, we have strength, and that's it, man, you know. So, I'll never do with this now, folks. I just, you know what I mean, just sweeten it and drink it, alright? So, until then, y'all, I'll see you guys later. What up? What up?